YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today is the first on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so today we're going to continue with our learning of our body parts in Yoruba. I remember some time back, I started off with our body part, and I promised that we're going to go back to the continuation of it at some point, okay? So today we're going to continue, okay? And as you know, we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language, okay? And then I'll come back to continue our lessons for today in Yoruba, okay? On the count of 3, we greet, okay? Enio, ejo, eta, oya, ekaro, ekaso, ekale, akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Nítorí a máa kọ́ nípa ẹ̀yà ara wa ní Yorùbá. Tí ẹ bá wo àwọn bíi fọ́nrán bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn, mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa kọ́ nípa ẹ̀yà ara wa. Ẹni tí tòní a máa tẹ̀síwájú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tí ẹ bá ti rí fọ́nrán èyí tí mo ṣe sẹ́yìn nípa ẹ̀yà ara, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ lọ wò wọ́n. Màá fi bẹ́ ṣe máa rí wò, màá fi sí abẹ́ ìjúwe fọ́nrán yìí. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So I think you remember from the last time. Remember what egg is called? Egg is called ori, okay? And I think I was able to give you the names of all the parts that we have in our heads, okay? But just in case you do not remember, go back to my previous videos, okay, and see what they are called, okay? So today we're gonna start with our hair, okay? Our hair is called ear, okay? Our neck is called ọrùn, Our tummy is called ikùn, and our belly button is called ìdodo. All right? Yes. And then our thighs are called itan. Did you get that? Okay. Now, in the previous videos, we've covered our eyes, our nose, our mouth, our teeth, our tongue. We covered our arms. We covered our legs. Okay. Also, our ears. I think we covered that as well. All right. Then our nails. Our nails are called èékánná. All right. And then our fingers, they are called ìka ọwọ́. All right. Our ears is called ẹ̀yìn ẹsẹ̀. Okay. And that will bring us to the close of our body parts today. If there's anything I'm missing out, please give me a shout. Put it on the comment section. There could be something I'm missing out. I'm sure there's something I'm missing out. I just can't remember. It's not coming to my head right now. But just in case you remember something, please give me a shout, okay? And I will tell you what it is on the comment section, or when I do my next video, I'm going to address those questions. All right? Okay then, guys, thank you so much again for your time today. And as you know, we say our order but together on the count of 3. All right, on the count of enio, ejo, eta, oya, double. Thank you very much. Ẹ ṣeun.